Hey guys, another rainy day, so thought I'd quickly teach you another card trick. Going to do the trick, then I'm going to show it to you step by step. Just using a normal 52 card deck. Nothing special about it. Let's get started. Alright, I call this trick 4 cards down. So what you want to do is just have your spectator just shuffle the cards anywhere they like. There's really nothing special this. They can cut them, shuffle them. It don't really matter. So what you want to do is now I'm going to show you that everything is just in random order, nothing special. Lay them back down. Have your spectator cut them anywhere they like. Just say we cut them right here. Now what you do is I'm going to say I'm going to use the 4th card down in this deck to tell you what the 4th card down is in that deck. Now remember, they cut them in any place they wanted, random order. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4th card down is the Ace of Spades. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it is the Ace of Spades. So let's just try it again. We'll just give them a quick shuffle. Have your spectator cut them anywhere they want. They cut them right here. I'm going to say, I'm going to use the 4th card down to tell you what the 4th card down is this. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. 4th card down is the 4 of diamonds. 1, 2, 3, and again it is the 4 of diamonds. So let me quickly show you how this trick's done. It's a very easy trick, but it does get good reaction, so let's quickly show you how it's done. All right, again, you have your spectators shuffle the cards. Shuffle them any way they want. And then, way you do this, you start showing them that all the cards are in random order. But as you're showing them and talking, you're going to remember the card in the 4th position. You don't bring it, don't be obvious. You just start bringing it out like this, remembering the King of Hearts. So once you've showed them, you lay it over like this. You say, cut the cards anywhere you like. All right? They cut them here. You remember the 4th card down is the King of Hearts. So you say, I'm going to use the 4th card here to tell you what the 4th card here is. Now you don't want to show them, but you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the 4th card here is the 4 of diamonds. I will show you. You want to remember that. So remembering this is the King of Hearts, you say the 4th card down tells me that the 4th card down here is the King of Hearts. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. And it is the King of Hearts. Now you say, let's do it again. You put it on. You remember that that's the 4 of hearts, 4 of diamonds, excuse me. It just resets itself. Put it back on. You can shuffle the cards. Just make sure that when you get through, you leave at least 4 cards on top. You have them cut the cards. Remembering the 4th card down is the 4 of diamonds. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4th card down is actually the King of Diamonds. You remember that one for the next time. You say, this card tells me that the 4th card down is the 4 of diamonds. So you go 1, 2, 3, and it is the 4 of diamonds. And you can just keep on doing this trick. Gets a lot of good reaction, and it's a very easy trick to do. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, catch you later.